Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today in front of me I got this iPhone SE. Now, do a battery swap today. Bought a battery on eBay. It's supposed to be coming in today. The battery health is at 70%, and kid you not, it dies. And then as soon as I plug it in, it shows up as 90%. It's 90% battery. So let's get started. Now this video is just like all the other iPhone 5S swap, battery swap that I did. Besides, this phone is worth a little bit more. So let's power it off. It does have a screen protector on it, which I like to keep. I'm trying to unscrew the bottom screws right now. Well, this one's in terrible condition, but that still should be good. Well, got the bottom screws out. Now I'm just gonna see if I can just pry the screen off. Let me get this. This might pull the screen protector off though. Which, no. Alright. Got the screen off. Trying to break anything, so how am I gonna do this? Okay, that's out. Now I'm gonna just undo the screen screws for the bracket. Probably if I use the right screwdriver it would work a little easier. Really shouldn't be taking the screen off before you undo the battery, but I don't want to break the screen, so it's not that bad if you do it anyway. Okay, I got the screen off. Looking a little dirty, but it's fine. Nothing wrong with the screen besides a little dip in the corner screen, and it's got some scratches on it. Okay. Now I will undo the battery bracket. And get the battery out. Now this is an Apple original one. And I would imagine it would be that bad battery health. That's not coming, you know. It's stripped? No. That screw is stripped. Well, not good. I can get the battery out, but I'm gonna need to get that bracket off, I think. Oh, that's weird. screw was so stripped that the star, the one I used to get the thing off, this one, I used to get the screen off the bottom pin load screws. That worked. Dang. I don't know. I might get a different screw because I got some laying around. I might not. Okay, let's see. Gotta get that bar. Gotta get that adhesive off. I'm going to do it legitly too. I'm going to put battery adhesive down and everything. Looks like it wants to break. Yeah, it did break. I'm kind of reusing this battery. No. I'm really messing this housing up, but it's under the battery, so it shouldn't be bad. I think I'm getting it. But dang, that's just too much. I think I got it. That was terribly too much. It's way too much to get this battery out. And I did scratch the housing up. Alright, I just got the battery in. Looks like it's right here, and it looks just like the original one without the apple logo. It does come with some adhesive. Let's just get the adhesive and stick it down. I really don't know how to use this adhesive, so yeah. we're gonna to try it out. Now I think I'll put it like that on the battery first, and then you just take it off. Just stick it just like that, which it looks good. And then you just put the battery back on in the phone, just like that. Ooh, it's not going in. Wait a minute. Seems like it's a little bigger for some reason, but okay, we got it in. That's it. It is in. It's in. That's all that I know. Okay. I'm going to get the screen and plug it back on, and then we'll do a little test. And I did have to clean the frame a little bit because there was a lot of dirt over here. But just go. You gotta put the half of the battery connector underneath of the phone. Is this for the right phone? Yeah, I think it is. I just gotta. Connector looks the same, yeah. I believe. Then why is it not going on then? It's just. Oh. Just ain't going on. Why is it not going on? Oh, there we go. Finally went on, but it's not routed correctly because it's supposed to be tucked up underneath the battery, the connector. And I don't know if I'm going to be able to do that. Let's just, first of all, no. We gotta tuck it underneath or do something with the extra. Just bend it back or something, I don't know. Can't be sticking up. That's the bad part. If it's sticking up, it's not gonna work. But I mean, it needs to. I don't know. Just that work? But let's see if it has a charge. No charge. Not a single charge. That's not good, but it is cutting on. So I think we're good. I think it's a good battery, and we didn't get shipped to dead. Now, before the battery health was at 70%, now I'm hoping to at least get it to 100, because it should be a brand new battery. So it should be at 100. Let's see. No Touch ID. I don't have it plugged in. I'm just trying to check the battery. It says service. So it says service, but 100% we're the service at 100% health battery. I don't know. Power button's not working. Don't know why that is. We'll have to check into that, but I think our job here is good. Besides it not, power button not working, I think we did good. Okay, I have to unplug the phone. I see the issue here. Battery connector is just not on there. Not the battery, the connector for the power button. So I gotta put it back up there, which it's not actually going to do work. Nope. That battery adhesive sucks. I just was able to pull it off with that. I gotta put that back on real quick. Okay, that is back on now. The power button should work now. Okay. Now, this battery connector gets tucked in between there. So, forget how it gets tucked, but I'm thinking it's like that. No. Does it get tucked like that? There may be a different way. I don't really know how it's supposed to be tucked in there. I would assume it would go like that. And that would be... Wait a minute. Let me just plug it into... see where it's supposed to go. Because it's not supposed to be like that. It's supposed to go like that. Okay. So now I see how it goes. Come on. Okay. Let me... This can't be safe, can it? How tight that pit is. I don't know. Let's put the... Okay, it's all back together. I'll power it up if we can. Okay, we're on. It doesn't look that bad there. I'll put the brackets back. Oh no, there's a little bit of something at the bottom of the screen now. It's not good. The screen looks like it has something on the bottom. Wait a minute. I might have to reseat it up there again. Yeah, that could just be a... I don't know. It could just be a software bug, but I don't know. Let me just plug it back on. Okay, it's in, as well as it will be in. Now I will just put the bracket back on. If I know what screws go where, it would help. But I don't know nothing really. Finally goes in. Now all them defects will be gone when I put the bracket on, you know? Because the bracket sometimes clamps it down more and it'll just really help. Oh no. Always gets... last screw in the corner, top right corner, is not magnetized, which really messes with me. Because it's hard to put in the phone. It's not magnetized. That's what I rely on to put it in the phone. Okay, let's put that back on. Just hope for the best. Hope that the screen defects are gone. And that phone's fine. Because this wouldn't be the first time that I would have had issues when trying to swap the battery out. Tab phone. And many of phones before have issues after I try swapping the battery, so. No, it's not in the right, it's not in the bracket. So yeah, let's just hope I don't have any more issues. It was gentle when I took the screen off, so if that says anything. Okay, yep. Yep, we still got some lines. Could just be a software bug, so I'm turn it on, reset the phone, and hopefully they'll go away. That's sometimes what happens when the screen does that. See how it goes? See how it's like just, I know you probably can't see it, but it's just constantly just flickering. So that's probably the issue, so I will reset it. Erase all contents and settings. Not now. Continue. Now Touch ID. What's I gonna say? The Touch is working fine, so yeah, that's probably the issue. Alright, I reset the phone, had to tighten the bracket back up for the screen, and it appears to be good. Now, I was still going to put the bottom screws in, but everything appears to be working, but I'll have to test it out, so, yeah. Let me put the bottom screws in. The best thing to do is get a new housing and screen for this. That'd make it perfect, but to sell it on, all you really need is a new screen and a new battery. Let me just set it up enough to where I can see if the battery's good. What? Unable to complete Touch ID setup. Please go back and try again. Why did it fail Touch ID? Oh, no, I might have to take it back apart. Because Touch ID and the screen's bugging out again. Why is it bugging out all of a sudden again? Like right there, oh, it's still bugging out. I don't know why. Battery health is at 100. I fixed what I needed to fix, but I broke another component. Let me see Touch ID. Just failed. Okay, well let me try to go diagnose this real quick. Alright. I took the screen back apart in the bracket, and I finally got it to work. Touch ID works again, and I don't know what the issue was. Because if the home button works, why wouldn't Touch ID not? Touch ID not work? Look, it's taking my reading now. Screen doesn't seem to be doing that thing it did before, which might be the issue completely. Because it was doing like a, or constantly blink. Constantly refresh or something. And it appears to be doing none of that now. So good. Now, the battery is a little concerning though. It does say it's at 100% though. But it's always been dead. I like charged it a little bit and it still seemed to be low. But I'll wait and see. That's not really the main concern. I think this phone is fully working. It is a 32 gig. It's a 32 gig AT&T locked model, but it is fully working now, so I can sell it for a lot more money now, and people won't be mad at me for selling them a phone that dies every 5 seconds.